Sorry, let us repeat, Yana. I didn't record that. Again, Grandpa's goat.
Grandpa's Goat. Written by Joe Slade, illustrated by A. Spencer.
Okay, let us read. Grandpa
Grandpa was always grumbling that his grass grew too fast. I love my grass alone, said Grandpa, but the grass grows so quickly I have to cut it every day.
Okay, let's hear from Yana. Sorry, Abby.
Why don't you get a goat? Said his granddaughter Meg. Goats love to eat grass. Goats are greedy and will graze on your grass all day. I know a girl who
Has.
who has a goat and she giving it away. I'll get it from her and give the goat to you.
Okay, try to remember all the details, Yana, Abby, and Mateo. I'm gonna ask you questions later, okay? Let's hear from Mateo. Look at that. Good girl, Meg. You're a mute.
Good girl, Meg. That's a great idea, said Grandpa. Get the goat right away. Meg was back within an hour. She was leading a goat,
A big.
a big goat. She led the goat into Grandpa's yard and
And
closed the big gray gate behind her.
okay, Yana, what happened to the grass? Yana? Okay.
What a grand looking goat, said Grandma. I like his long golden fur. Grandpa couldn't wait. Let's put him to work. Get him to cut my grass, said, said Grandpa. The goat began to graze on the long, green grass. Everyone gave a cheer, and then they left for lunch.
Okay. Next, Abby.
They returned home later in the afternoon. When Grandpa opened the big gray gate, he gasped. All his nice green grass was gone. All he could see was bare ground where the grass had been.
Oh, what happened to the grass? Okay, next, Mateo.
Good grief, exclaimed Grandpa. The goat has been eaten
The
everything,
goat has eaten.
everything. There's not one blade of grass left. Where has the goat gone? said said Meg. At, at that moment, they heard a big bang. It came from the garage, said Grandpa.
Okay, it came from the garage, said Grandpa. Okay, Yana.
All ran to the garage. Inside, they saw the goat. He had gobbled Grandma's gardening gloves and was now eating Grandpa's golf bag. Oh no, said Grandma. He's destroying everything.
Yeah. Abby.
Getting the goat wasn't such a good idea after all, said Grandpa. You must take the goat back to that girl. Meg grabbed the goat and led him out of the big gray garden gate.
Okay. Mateo?
When Meg came back, she was excited. She giggled, let's get a goose.
Again,
I've got another good idea, said Grandpa. She giggled, let's get a goose to eat your grass.
Okay. Is that a good idea?
I think so, or yes.
How about Abby? Do you think it's that a good idea? Getting a goose to eat grandpa's grass?
I think so.
You think so too? How about Yana? Yana, do you think that's a good idea?
Maybe.
Maybe. Okay. All right. Let's talk about this story. So grandpa was always grumbling. Let me zoom in. Okay. Can you see it?
Oh, yes, yes, yes.
Okay.
Grandpa.
So grandpa was always grumbling that his grass grew too fast. Always grumbling. What does it mean grumbling? Anyone?
Parang galit konti, or maybe.
Mm-hmm.
Oh, wait, is it meant for happy?
Happy? Yana, what do you mean by grumbling? Based on the passage, grandpa was always grumbling that his grass grew too fast. So based on that sentence, what do you think grumbling means?
Angry.
Sorry? He is
Angry.
angry. Does he looks angry? Abby, what do you think grumbling means?
Hungry?
Angry also? Okay, grandpa was always complaining. Okay? Again, what is grumbling? Mateo?
Always complaining
Okay, so what does he complain about?
that his grass grows too fast.
Okay, so that is he complains all the time. So what does Meg's idea? What does Meg said? Let's hear from Yana. Yana, what does Meg said?
Why don't you get a goat?
Okay, Meg said, why don't you get a goat? All right. Who is Meg, Abby?
Meg? A
Yeah,
girl.
a girl. Who is he? Who is she?
He's a granddaughter.
Yeah, she is grandpa's granddaughter. All right. So why does she said why does she what is that? Why does she suggest getting a goat, Mateo? Why?
To eat the grass perfectly, maybe.
Mm-hmm. Aside from that, Yana, why do you think Meg suggests to get a goat? Why did she suggest that?
Goats are greedy and will graze on your grass all day.
Okay, because goats are greedy and it will graze all the grass all day. Okay? Clear? Okay, so where are they going to get the goat, Abby? Where are they going to get the goat?
Grass.
Mm-hmm. Where are they going to get the goat?
I think I have one.
Mm-hmm.
They have to buy,
They have to buy it? Mm-hmm.
maybe.
Mm, it doesn't said it doesn't say there that they are going to buy a goat. What does Meg said? I know a girl who has a goat and she's giving it away. So where are they going to get the goat, Yana?
From that.
Where are they going to get the goat, Yana?
Going to get the goat from the girl.
Okay, they are going to get the goat from a girl. Okay? And then, what happened after an hour? Abby,
The
what
goat,
happened after an hour?
he was leading a big goat.
Mhm. So where does she lead the goat?
He led the she led the goat into Grandpa's yard.
Okay, all right. So Meg was back within an hour and she led a big goat into Grandpa's yard. Okay? Mateo, can you repeat that?
That man come back and bring the goat by
Brought the goat.
in the yard.
Okay. All right. So she led the goat into Grandpa's yard. How about what happened next, Yana? What what did the goat do?
The goat began to graze on the long green grass.
Very good. Okay, graze. Abby, what do you mean by graze?
Uh, eat,
What do you mean by graze? What is she doing with
mm,
the with the grass? What is the goat doing in the with the grass?
eating the grass.
Okay, so he is eating the grass. So it means grazing is eating the grass. Okay, Mateo? All right. Again, what is grazing, Mateo?
Eating the grass.
Okay, so what is the goat doing in the picture?
Eating the grass.
The goat began to
Eat the grass.
graze on.
Oh, graze on the grass. I mean on the long green grass.
Okay, again, Abby, what is the goat doing in the picture?
Graze on the long green grass.
Okay, the goat began to, again,
Yeah.
the goat.
The, the goat began to graze on the long green grass.
Okay, very good. Then what happened to the green grass? Why does Grandpa gasp? Gasp. Why?
Or maybe
Grass was gone.
Uh-huh.
the goat eat
Green grass.
all the grass.
Yes, because the grass was all gone. What did the goat do?
Maybe he ate all the grass and go to the garage.
Okay, yeah. So what happened to the ground?
So bold.
Okay, so it became bare ground. It became a bare ground.
And
Okay?
it became empty.
Again, what happened to this picture, Yana? All
All this nice green grass was gone.
all the nice green grass was gone. And all they could see was bare ground where the grass had been. Again, all the
All, all the nice green grass was gone. All he could see was bare ground where the grass had been.
okay, all they could see. Again. Again, Yana. All the nice green grass.
All the nice green grass was gone. All they could see was bare ground where the grass had been.
Okay, how about Abby? What happened to this picture?
All the nice green grass was gone.
Mm-hmm. What could they see?
All he could see was
All
bare ground where the
all
grass had
day.
been.
Aha, all day. Again, all they could see.
All they could see was a bare ground where the grass had been.
Okay, no Again, all the nice green grass was gone. All they could see was bare ground where the grass had been. Again,
All the nice green grass was gone. All they could see was bare ground where the grass had been.
okay. How about Mateo?
Sir?
Mateo?
Yes?
Yes? So what happened to the green grass?
All his nice green grass was
All
gone.
all the
All the nice green grass was gone.
all they could see.
All they could see was bare ground. The green grass has been.
Okay, let us repeat that without a copy. Again, let's start from Yana. What happened to the green grass?
The
All
nice
the
green grass was all gone.
what they could see.
They could only see a bare ground where the, the green grass been.
Had been.
The green grass had been.
Okay, how about Abby? Abby, what happened to this picture?
All the nice green grass was gone.
Very good.
All all they could see a all they could see bare ground where grass had
Was.
been.
All they could see was. Again.
All they could see was bare ground where the grass had been.
Okay, how about Mateo? What happened to the grass? Bare ground grass? Once more, bare ground where the grass was gone, where the grass had been. Again, Mateo. Again. Okay, very good. How about, that's all. Do not mention this one. Again, Abby. So what did they hear?
At
at that
that
moment?
at that moment they heard a big bang. It came from the garage.
Okay, at that moment, they heard a big bang. Period. Full stop. It came from the garage. Okay, how about Mateo? Mateo, what did they hear at that moment?
It, at that moment, they heard a big bang. It came from the garage.
Okay. Again, Yana. So what did they hear?
At that moment, they heard a big bang. It came from the garage.
Okay, Abby.
At that moment they heard a big bang. It came from the garage.
Okay. Mateo?
At that moment, they heard a bang. It came from the it came from the garage.
Okay. All right. Is it clear?
Yes.
All right. So let us continue this tomorrow. We are already time. Do you have any question?
Now,
No. Okay. See you again tomorrow. So that will be our last day. Every Wednesday, we don't have a class. Okay? See you again tomorrow. Have a good night, everyone.
Bye.
Bye, Yana, Abby, and Mateo.
Bye-bye. Teacher, I mean, Abby, I will call you. Magtawag ko sa imo ha.
Okay.
Bye-bye.
Abby and
Bye-bye.
Mateo are cousins, Yana. Yeah. Okay,
Adios, Oba.
bye-bye.
Adios, Oba.
Bye.
Adios,
Adios,
Oba.
Mateo.
Adios, Oba Loba.